inform the public of Goa, those who are driving vehicles, that recently Goa Police has procured speed measurement devices, 4 in number. They are tripod mounted, which can be taken to any place, portable, can be folded and can be taken to any place, and it can be the speed checking can be started. In Goa there are number of very good roads, and there is a tendency of over-speeding, even though there is a speed limit prescribed for various places. For example, on Mandavi, on Juari, and other places. And it is seen that often the speed limit is violated by motorists, and which becomes a very serious reason for accidents. We were in the process of acquiring these devices for a long time, and had requested the transport department also to do it. For some reason, that interceptor vehicle project could not be materialized, so we thought that instead of a vehicle mounted system, which is a part of the entire equipment, if we buy the tripod mounted system and use our own vehicle for taking from one place to another place, it will be cheaper as well as it will be easy for operation. So these 4 devices we have procured. Already speed checking is going on in Goa from today onwards. A number of challans have already been issued, and because there is a Supreme Court guideline that those who violate speed limit, their licenses are supposed to be impounded and sent for suspension for minimum 3 months. This is also being done now. Apart from this, we have also procured 100 alcometers, which will be used for enforcement of prosecution of drunken driving. So these 2 latest equipments are with us. The fine for overspeeding is about 400 rupees, but also involving suspension of driving license, for which we will send the cases to transport department. अभी कहाँ पे कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
यूनिवर्सिटी.
दोनापोला साइड में यूनिवर्सिटी पे अभी लोग इक्विपमेंट लगाया है. I am going there to check it myself, how the staff is performing. They have been trained how to use it.
License impound, police will do it, or you will send it to RTO?
Police will send the cases.
Okay.
After impounding the license, we will send the license and all the details to transport department, because licensing authority has the power to suspend that. We will keep on changing locations. We will do it on bridges, we will do it on highways. We will keep changing the location. We will do it by surprise.
This will be on North Goa or both?
बोथ 2 नॉर्थ को देंगे, 2 साउथ को देंगे, और ऑल ओवर गोवा विल में जहाँ पर भी ओवर स्पीडिंग का टेंडेंसी ज़्यादा है. राइट नाउ यूनिवर्सिटी में कर रहे हैं, और कहाँ पे कर रहे हैं? हाँ, कल आज टेस्टिंग के लिए उधर लगाया हुआ है, because I want to see it myself. कल से 4 जगह लगाएंगे. Make use of all the बोर्ड जरूर लगाएंगे. जहाँ पर भी स्पीड लिमिट बोर्ड ही नहीं है तो कैसे पता चलेगा लिमिट कितना है? So the board has to be there. We'll make sure जहाँ भी enforcement करेंगे there are adequate signages. Without warning नहीं है. जब बोर्ड ही नहीं है तो कैसे enforce करेंगे?
So what is the distance these cameras can take the
around
clip?
300 meters.
300 मीटर.
The accuracy is very good and बहुत दूर से कैप्चर करता है और फोटोग्राफिक एंड वीडियोग्राफिक एविडेंस है. So anybody wants to contest.